How to calculate hours worked in Microsoft Excel. To track the check-in, check-out, and the total hours worked within each working day, Microsoft Excel can help you achieve this goal without sweating your guts out. Highlight the check-in and check-out cells. Right-click on it and select the Format cell. When the Format cell dialog box appears, ensure that the Number tab is selected. Select Time. Hit on this format and click OK. Highlight the hours worked within each cell. Right-click on it and select the Format cell. When the Format cell dialog box appears, ensure that the Number tab is selected. Select Time. Hit on this format and click OK. Let's enter the check-in and check-out times and leave a space before AM or PM. Let's speed up to finish the rest of the cells. It is now time to compute the rest of the hours worked for each day. Begin with an equal sign. Select D3 minus C3. Press the Enter key on the keyboard to generate the results. That's it. Let's drag the black square at the lower right corner to apply the formula to compute the rest of the hours worked. Oops, Friday hours worked could not be computed because the hours from 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. extended to another day. Therefore, let's use the if function. To do this, we will need the if function, which has three parts: a logical test, a value if it is true, and a value if it is false. Just enter the equal sign, followed by the if function. Open the brackets and select cell C7 and enter the greater than sign. Select cell D7. The logical test is done. Let's enter a value. If the logical test is true, then D7 plus 1. As you can see, C7 is greater than D7. Hence, the checkout happened the next day. Let's also enter the value of the logical test. If false, then D7. Then the checkout happened on the same day. Let's close the brackets and subtract the check-in time, C7, from it. Press the Enter key on the keyboard to compute the hours worked on Friday. Let's verify the if function by dragging the black square at the lower right corner to apply the formula to the rest of the cells to compute the rest of the hours worked. As you can see, the if function has worked for both scenarios. That's it. TechTricksGh. Share, like, subscribe. Hit the bell notification for more tutorials.